Robotics is an exciting field that brings together engineering, electronics, and artificial intelligence to create intelligent machines. These machines, known as robots, are designed to perform tasks that can range from simple repetitive actions to complex problem solving. Over the years, robotics has evolved rapidly, with advancements in technology allowing robots to become more capable and versatile. Today, robots are not just limited to factories, they are being integrated into various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to home assistance. This journey into robotics sets the stage for understanding the fascinating world of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are a special category within robotics. As the name suggests, these robots are designed to resemble humans in appearance and movement. They can walk on two legs, use their arms to manipulate objects, and even interact with people in a natural way. The goal is to create machines that can seamlessly integrate into human environments, making them ideal for tasks that require a human touch. Humanoid robots are not just science fiction anymore, they are becoming a reality, thanks to breakthroughs in engineering and artificial intelligence. One of the most talked about humanoid robots today is Tesla Optimus. Developed by Tesla, this robot is designed to handle tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or boring for humans. Optimus can walk, carry objects, and interact with its environment using advanced sensors and AI. Tesla envisions a future where Optimus assists in factories, homes, and even public spaces, making everyday life more convenient and efficient. The development of Optimus highlights the rapid progress in robotics and the growing role of AI in shaping intelligent machines. Boston Dynamics Atlas is another remarkable humanoid robot. Known for its agility and balance, Atlas can perform complex movements like running, jumping, and even backflips. This robot is a showcase of advanced engineering and robotics, demonstrating what is possible when cutting-edge technology meets innovative design. Atlas is often used in research and development to test new ideas in mobility and manipulation, paving the way for future robots that can navigate challenging environments and assist humans in various tasks. Figure 2 and Unitree G1 are two more examples of humanoid robots making headlines. Figure 2 focuses on human-like movement and dexterity, aiming to work alongside people in various settings. Unitree G1, on the other hand, is known for its affordability and versatility, making advanced robotics accessible to more users. Both robots highlight the diversity in humanoid robot design and the different approaches companies are taking to bring these machines into our daily lives. JIT is a humanoid robot designed with mobility in mind. Its unique structure allows it to walk smoothly and handle objects with care. Digit is being tested in warehouses and delivery services, where it can move packages and navigate complex spaces. The robot's ability to adapt to different environments makes it a valuable asset for industries looking to automate logistics and improve efficiency. Digit represents the next step in creating robots that can work safely and effectively alongside humans. Factories are one of the primary environments where robots have made a significant impact. Humanoid robots are now being used to perform tasks such as assembly, quality control, and material handling. Their ability to work tirelessly and accurately makes them ideal for repetitive or dangerous jobs. By integrating robots into factory workflows, companies can increase productivity, reduce errors, and create safer workplaces for human employees. This collaboration between humans and robots is transforming the manufacturing industry. Hospitals, humanoid robots are being used to assist medical staff and improve patient care. These robots can deliver medications, transport supplies, and even help with patient monitoring. By taking on routine tasks, robots free up healthcare professionals to focus on more critical aspects of care. The use of robots in hospitals is not just about efficiency, it's also about enhancing safety and reducing the risk of human error. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for robots in healthcare. Houses are another area where humanoid robots are making a difference. Robots can move goods, organize inventory, and handle logistics with speed and precision. This automation helps companies manage large volumes of products efficiently and reduces the need for manual labor in physically demanding roles. By working alongside human workers, robots make warehouse operations smoother and more reliable, ensuring that goods are delivered on time and with minimal errors. Humanoid robots are gradually finding their way into our homes. From helping with household chores to providing companionship, these robots are designed to make daily life easier and more enjoyable. They can vacuum floors, remind you of appointments, and even engage in simple conversations. As robots become more affordable and user-friendly, it's likely that more households will welcome these helpful machines into their routines. Space exploration is another exciting application for humanoid robots. In environments that are dangerous or inaccessible to humans, robots can perform tasks such as repairs, maintenance, and data collection. Their human-like form allows them to use tools and interact with equipment designed for astronauts. By sending robots on space missions, we can explore new frontiers while keeping human explorers safe. The future of space exploration will likely see even greater collaboration between humans and robots. Artificial intelligence is the driving force behind modern robotics. AI enables robots to recognize objects, understand speech, plan actions, and learn from experience. This intelligence allows robots to adapt to new situations, solve problems, and interact naturally with people. The integration of AI is what makes humanoid robots truly intelligent, opening up possibilities for more advanced and helpful machines in the future. One of the most impressive features of modern robots is their ability to learn and adapt. Through machine learning and advanced sensors, robots can improve their performance over time. For example, a robot working in a warehouse can learn the most efficient routes or adapt to changes in inventory. This adaptability makes robots valuable partners in dynamic environments, where flexibility and quick thinking are essential. Future of robotics is all about collaboration. Rather than replacing humans, robots are being designed to work alongside us, taking on tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require precision. This partnership allows humans to focus on creative and strategic work while robots handle the rest. By working together, we can achieve more and create safer, more efficient workplaces and homes. Looking ahead, the future of humanoid robots is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect robots to become more affordable, capable, and widespread. They will play an increasingly important role in our daily lives, working alongside us in factories, hospitals, homes, and even on space missions. The journey of robotics is just beginning, and the possibilities are truly endless.